Guys, welcome back to the video. So there's one problem going in Samsung Android system that no app is working perfectly. They're crashing before starting. They're like it can't work properly. You need to report. So I made a video about it. So I'm gonna show the problem also. So let's begin the video. So you just saw that problem which I am facing. My any app is not working, especially Gmail. I have lots of mails are coming in these days, so it's quite hard. What to do? Just go to settings and go to apps. Just scroll down and I'll show you apps. Go to apps and click three dot and write show system apps. Show system app and you need to write web view Android system web view. So I already disabled the app. I uninstalled it, so I'm going to show you how to uninstall it. If you want to do it easy way, just go to your app store, write web view Android system and uninstall it. I already have the update button. Don't click it or your apps will not work. If you did it by mistake, just uninstall it and it will work perfectly. So thank you guys for watching. That it is for today, and I'm going to show you my Gmail is working properly. So you see it is working properly. I'm not showing it because there are personal mails of mine. So that it is for today, and thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.